Hello and welcome to Scientifacts. We are going to share some amazing facts related to science in this video. You might know about some of them, but some of them might be new to you. So let's begin with first fact. Our first fact is related to Venus. We all know that planets in our solar system rotate as well as spin on their axis in their orbit, but unlike the other planets in our solar system, Venus spins clockwise on its axis. All other planets spin anti-clockwise on their axis and orbit the Sun in an anti-clockwise direction. 2. Your lips are unique. Just like your fingerprints, your lips are completely unique. If all 7.8 billion of us on the planet did a lipstick print onto a tissue, not one print would be identical to another. 3. Dead skin cells are a main ingredient in household dust. Humans shed around 200 million skin cells each hour. These dead cells mix with house dust and thus are a main ingredient of dust. 4. The circulatory system is more than 60,000 miles long. If a child's entire circulatory system, we're talking veins, arteries, and capillaries, were laid out flat, it would stretch for more than 60,000 miles and approximately 100,000 miles for an adult. 5. The Eiffel Tower can be 15 centimeters taller during the summer. Due to thermal expansion, Eiffel Tower height increases in summer, and similarly in winter it decreases as metal contracts in low temperature. Hope you enjoyed these facts. We'll be back in the next video with more amazing facts for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel.